Not Jonah, correction. Ate V na nga. Tita Glo, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening to each and everyone. Bishop Pacani, magandang gabi po. Sa lahat po ng mga kapamilya po natin sa industriya. At syempre lahat din po na nagmamahal kay Tita Glo. Sa totoo lang po, ayoko magsalita. Kasi kahit si Tita Glo, sa haba ng buhay niya, meron kaming mga personal na tawagan. Marites, kinuwento ko sa iyo yun. I started in the business 9 years old. At yung unang pelikula ko po, Through This Liit. At yung pangalawa ko po, kasama ko na si Tita Glo, Anak ang Iyong Ina. So 9 years old po, kasama ko na si Tita Glo. Siguro po, sa haba ng karir ko, nakagawa po kami ni Tita Glo ng mga mahigit 12 pelikula. So, isa po si Tita Glo ang nakakita po sa akin mula ng bata ako, hanggang nagdalaga, hanggang nag-asawa, hanggang nahiwalay, nag-asawa uli, and then pagkatapos nagkaanak. Mula nun, kasama ko si Tita Glo. At kahit hindi kami nagkikita, wala po akong birthday na nakalimutan niya. Lagi yan tatawag sa akin. Tuwing November 3 po, my birthday. Kahit na siya, sasabihin niya, Ate V. Slower. Ate V. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday, Iha. Sabi niya, I will never forget your birthday because it's also my daughter's birthday, Marites. we have, yeah. Yun ang dialogue kasi we have the same birthday. So, happy birthday to both of you, Iha. Sabi ko naman, Tita Glo, how are you? Where are you? I'm in my taping now. Ganyan. Tapos, ikakwento ka niya, Christopher. Chris, mahal na mahal ka niya. One and only apo daw niya, sabi niya. And then, pag nag-uusap po kami, tinatanong ko, Tita Glo, where are you? Are you okay? Sasabihin lang niya, you know, Iha. Huwag na natin you know, Iha. Sasabihin niya, I'm already experiencing vertigo. Yun daw, nahihirapan siya sa kanyang vertigo. But anyway, ganito po ang samahan namin. Mananalo po ako ng Best Actress Award. She would give me a call and congratulate me, and vice versa. When she won Best Actress sa Tanging Yaman, I was so happy for her and I really did, Tita, oh my God, you won! And kasi sabi niya, sa edad na ito, sabi niya, I won Best Actress. So ganun kami. I wanted so much to join you, yung tribute kay Tita Glo. Ito na, yung edad na ni Tita Glo ngayon. It was unfortunate because nagka-COVID ako. So, Marites, you're here and I wanted so much to see her again. Just to hug. Ayoko sabi eh. No, just to hug her and just to say, I love you. Kaya hindi kami nagkita. It's unfortunate ngayon nandito na si Tita Glo. But anyway, Tita Glo, you know how much I love you. Andito kami lahat for you. And, alam naman natin sa industriya, marami na, na inabot ko na rin pa iba't ibang imigrasyon. You're right, Jonah. Kasama rin natin si Manaicho. Ang dami ko na pong imigrasyon na experience. But I agree with you. Tita Glo, hindi lang Queen of Queens. She's the Empress. And Tita Glo, we all love you, we all care for you, and Marites, I just want you to know, in my own little way, because of the love that we have, if there's anything I can do for you, kasi ikaw na lang, Marites, the only child and the only Chris, I will always be here for you. Don't hesitate.
I call you on your
on our birthday. And I want that, Iha. make sure. Hihintayin ko yun ang Marites. Babalik ako sa iyo, Marites. Iya, big birthday. Tita Glo, happy trip. We love you. And at the same time, this is the perfect time you enjoy life with the Lord. So, happy trip, and I love you, and we love you, Tita Glo, forever. From the heart, sa aming lahat sa industriya, lahat po kami, saludo sa inyo. I love you, Tita Glo. Salamat po.
Chris, ang laki-laki mo na. You're a giant. Yeah, very slow.
Happy birthday! Very slow. Happy birthday, Iha!